Hey guys, Sean LaRue Home Loans here. I just wanted to make a quick little video tour about where all the magic happens here at Franklin Loan Center, Sean LaRue Home Loans. So check this out. This is really great. So this is Franklin Loan Center, where I get to walk in every single day. Check this out. So this is where it all happens. Love this office. Some of my favorite things: Dad's barbecue sauce, a couple trinkets I've collected, books on photography. Very nicely decorated. I love it. A couple awards, top producer awards, and then my favorite, the 3-screen hub setup. I'll drop some links in below on the setup, the stand, and all the monitors. Bluetooth there for the phone system and the computer. Love to make it happen. And it's not complete without, that's right, a little setup. Madden style. So guys, this is just a very quick video of my office, where I like to work, where I like to get things done. I love the computer setup. Very comfortable in here. I've got the TV for watching the news and different things, keep it updated. So thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, comment, like, and share. Really appreciate it. Sean LaRue Home Loans, make it a great day.